In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel Gemini Advanced subscription. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and what to expect so you can wrap things up with confidence. First, open your web browser and go to gemini.google.com app. Make sure you're signed in to the Google account that currently has Gemini Advanced. If you manage multiple Google accounts, it's worth taking a second to confirm you're on the correct one so the changes apply where you expect. Once you're in Gemini, look for settings and help. Depending on your screen size, this may appear in the left sidebar or behind a gear or menu icon near the top. Click it to open the settings panel. This is where Google groups the controls that relate to your Gemini experience and your plan. Next, choose View Subscriptions. This option takes you straight to the place where your billing and plan details live. If you don't see it immediately, scroll within the settings panel or expand the menu. It's there specifically to manage your plan status. After you click View Subscriptions, you'll be redirected to your Google One settings. That's expected. Gemini Advanced is tied to Google One, so plan management happens there. Give the page a moment to load. You should land on a section that shows your current plan, renewal date, and other membership details. Now scroll down and find the Cancel Membership option. Click it and then follow the on-screen prompts to confirm. Google may ask you to review what you'll lose when you cancel, such as Gemini Advanced features and any Google One benefits associated with your plan. Read the notes carefully. In most cases, your access continues until the end of the current billing period, and refunds vary by region and payment method. If you see choices like ending immediately versus at the end of the cycle, pick what fits your needs and confirm. Once you finish the prompts, you'll receive a confirmation on screen, and you may also get an email summarizing the change. Your chats and files remain in your account, but Gemini Advanced features will wind down when your billing period ends. If your plan was shared with family, remember that canceling will affect shared benefits. You can always return to GeminiGoogle.com/app later to upgrade again if you change your mind. That's it. Go to Gemini, open Settings and Help, select View Subscriptions, review your Google One page, and use Cancel Membership to confirm. Take your time with the prompts so there are no surprises and you'll be all set.